Hello, Garfield Heights City Schools family. Superintendent Chris Hanke coming to you once again for this week's update and important news. Chromebooks and supplies will be distributed throughout the week of Monday, August 31st through Thursday, September 4th. This is your students' opportunity to take advantage of these important resources provided by the district to your students. Please be on the lookout for specific calls or messages from your building principals for pickup details for your son or daughter's grade. The Chromebook and materials pickup is being made possible so that all students can have a successful start to the 2020-2021 school year during remote learning. Next, students should also remain on the lookout for class assignments and final schedules next week as well. Building principals and staff have worked diligently to appropriately align students to various classes at all grade levels, so please be prepared to accept those at some point during the week of August 31st. Finally, as everyone in the Garfield Heights City Schools makes final preparations for the first day of school on Wednesday, September 9th, we ask that you continue to check the district website and social media for important updates, valuable information, and more. The ever-changing environment of public education will prompt us all to continue to be alert, prepared, and ready for information. And the Garfield Heights City Schools will continue to do its best in sharing updates and news as it becomes available. Have a great weekend, and go Bulldogs!